All right, so guys, as you know, this guy right here has been on the channel quite a bit for the past couple months, and we actually have an announcement. So formally, this man right here is joining the Throttle team, so I hope everyone welcomes Ricky to the club. Woo! In the comment section down below. I mean, it's not really a surprise at this point. Yeah. But what's gonna be changing is not only is Ricky obviously gonna be here helping out with the Bad Apple, the MR2, the E36, etc., but he's also gonna be building some of his own projects on the Throttle YouTube channel. So if you're interested in seeing Ricky's builds, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. We got a lot of cool stuff in plan. Actually, they don't even know.
They have no idea.
So
that's more Twix, more Pepsi.
Yeah, if anyone wants. Whoa, Pepsi. Whoa. Redo that.
Edit that out.
I think he meant Coca-Cola. So yeah, if you want to support Ricky, you know our address is always down below. Twix and Coca-Cola. No Pepsi allowed here. So thank you guys for the support. Thank you in advance, and let's continue on with the video.
Good morning, guys. I'm gonna be going to DNA Garage today, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the next process on the Bad Apple. Last I heard, they took the engine out, they took it apart, they got all the parts needed to put it back together. Today should be assemble day, and we might, if we have enough time, put at least the motor in the car tonight. If not, tomorrow I'll be there all day anyways. So tomorrow for sure, the motor should be in, and we should be able to crank it tomorrow. But the plan for today is to go there. I'm about to go to Pacino's, pick up some wings for the guys at DNA Garage, go to DNA, and then we'll start the assemble. So see you guys there. All right, just arrived at Pacino's. There it is. We're gonna get some wings for the boys. And look who I found. Boy G. I like your shirt. Yeah. I'm still with my boy Bradley. We dropped off my my SUV, and we are on the way to DNA right now. And we'll catch up, see what's going on over there once we meet up with Lou and the guys. Okay, so here we're at DNA already, and this is the base platform. We're gonna start with that one and build all the way up. These are the old housings that pretty much are useless now, and these are the new housings that they're already prepped to be assembled. And I heard that my boy Mickey actually assembled his rotor himself. Look at that. Next thing you know, he'll be building his motors in-house in Throttle. The way he's rolling. We still gotta finish some stuff here around the shop. As soon as we finish those things, we're gonna start actually assembling the actual 13B. See you in a few.
A little later.
All right, so as you can see, so I can help speed up the process. I'm just gonna start cleaning the irons, cleaning the grooves. I'm gonna be putting some Hylomar in it, and then just start putting the water seals on all the irons for now. That way when everybody's done doing whatever they're doing right now, we can just actually start assembling the engine from there. So I've been doing horribly filming. I guess I get that from Mickey. But anyways, right now all the, like I said earlier, the water seals are done. I put more Hylomar there so it can seal better. The brand new housings have the O-rings, that way we don't get any oil leaks. Already installed on both sides. I plugged in where the oil injections go to. This one I did the exact same thing. All of the water seals are on that one. The rotors are completely ready to be assembled. John already verified that Mickey did a good job on them, and he did. We pretty much didn't have to change anything on them. They're the same as Mickey left them. And right now we are setting the apex seals, getting them ready for and why is this thing not focusing? Pretty soon we'll start stacking the engine together, and then I'll bring you guys along once we are ready to do that. Try not to run over his housings.
A little later.
I'm here with John from Rotary Reliability and Racing, and we are going to begin to assemble engine number 2. Let's hope this thing focuses. Look at that, it did focus. So we're going to start with probably a time lapse, because we already done this before. I don't want to bore you with it. And Louis just showed up with a really loud music. Let me show you guys what we got so far. We assemble. Oh damn, Louis, you already covered everything up. So we assembled the motor from flywheel to front water neck, I guess I can say.
Assembly,
yeah, the oil pan is in there too. Everything is pretty much, when it comes to the block, sealed up. Tomorrow we'll finish putting the rest of the bits on. Anyways, engines assemble. Louis.
Remember, Mickey doesn't know about this.
Yeah, so that's funny. So I was talking to Louis, and I didn't know that. So Mickey doesn't know that we have this going on, pretty much. I was gonna come here. Me and Louis been talking the whole week, and I was gonna come here today and tomorrow to help him out with this. But I was under the impression that Mickey knew. So Mickey doesn't know that we're doing this. So it's gonna be a nice little surprise that he's gonna have his car pretty much running by the time he gets back. He might be mad because he's not the one actually working on it, but I don't care. He'll get over it once he hears it's running. Yeah. So tomorrow the plan is to
finish the assembly, get it in the car, get it running. Drive it around the block. Well, you'll drive it around the block.
No, I'm not driving it.
Somebody has to.
I'll drive my car. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Peace.